This meal supports weight control, control blood sugar, reverse fatty liver, improve lipid profile, and so on.
It's a low-calorie, lower-carb, and high-fiber meal that supports weight control and long-lasting fullness.
This meal provides approximately 320 to 350 calories, 35 to 40 grams of carbohydrates, 16 to 18 grams of protein, healthy fats, and 6 to 8 grams of dietary fibers. Let's start to make it. Try this easy breakfast or dinner at home and make healthy eating practical, enjoyable, and sustainable. Have a nice day.